This is Angelique and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell beside it to get notified every time I post a new video for you. Well guys, today, as you can see on the title of this video, I'm gonna be finally doing the trend we've been seeing all over YouTube, and that is the I tried following a makeup tutorial. Now this video, this I tried following a makeup tutorial, from all the videos that I have watched, I believe that this video originated from Thomas Halbert. I don't think he's the first one to ever do this, but I think he's the one who started the trend. With this video, I tried following a Jeffree Star makeup tutorial. I think my introduction has been long enough and gusto nyo na makita kung ano yung gagawin ko. So without further ado, let's start with the video. So ayun na nga, I want to make this a series. So this is going to be the first of the 3 I tried following makeup tutorial videos that I will be doing. And for the first, of course, we have to love our own. It has to be a local YouTuber, a Pinoy YouTuber, and napili ko si Miss RAIZA CONTAWI. Now, I am in awe of her work, and there's this particular look that I really wanted to recreate, especially nung napanood ko to ng Valentine's Day, and it's her Single Ladies Chocolate For You Anti-Valentine's makeup look. I have my laptop over here and ready na to play the video. So, let's start! By the way guys, kung titingin ako dito lagi, andito yung laptop, andito yung salamin ko and everything.
It's me, RAIZA CONTAWI. And for this year, it's something different.
So if makita niyo yung video, meron siyang jewelry here and wearing a black top, and parang medyo wet look yung sinusport niya. So I tried imbibing the same thing.
Doing this, I don't know how to call this one. Maybe if someone's not gonna give you chocolates, or like nobody's gonna give you chocolates because you can buy chocolates.
Kaya natin bumili, moms.
I will be doing this chocolate-inspired makeup look to represent your independence. Whether you're
strong, independent woman. Walang pero-pero. Ganon ang peg natin ngayon.
For this look, I'm going to use Sleek products only, and I will be starting with the base.
Wait. Sleek products makeup lang daw, but all of my products aren't really all from Sleek. But just treat this video as I tried following RAIZA CONTAWI's makeup tutorial, and you know, just like a normal person na would want to recreate her look, pero only making the most out of the products you have. So that's gonna be the peg, okay?
Moisturize my face, and I'm going ahead with the Sleek makeup.
Okay. Nag-start na daw siya mag-prime ng face. So magpa-prime na ako with my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. Okay, let's go.
Cream to powder, creme to powder.
Okay, foundation.
And this is the shade Sand. It's interesting.
So wala ako nun. So gagamitin ko na lang to. Itong matte poreless na Maybelline Fit Me Concealer.
It looks like, I think the shade is spot on. It's perfect. It might be a bit darker, but
actually, sanay ako mag-makeup
but once you apply it on the face,
na may pinapanood.
Once it gets in contact with the warmth of your face first,
Para hindi naman ako alone habang nag-makeup. Okay. So, nilagay niya lang through brush, and then gagamitin niya beauty blender. Damn, beauty blender. I have that. Tapos na siya, mom.
But so far, it feels lightweight. So I don't have a Sleek powder, so I'm just going to powder it.
Okay, wait. Powder agad? Walang concealer? Kasi full coverage na yung ano niya. Funda ni moms. Okay, I think I'm good. Play na rin. Oh wait, nag-powder na siya agad. I don't want to pile up and cake up my face with foundation. So I'll just proceed with my concealer routine. So diba sabi ko sa inyo, 1 of 3 to na gagawin ko. So yung second would be from an international beauty YouTuber that I really love. And then the third one is gonna be a surprise. I don't think you would expect what I'd be doing there, pero I'm super excited to do it, pero kinakabahan na ako. If you know me, I'm a fan of something, and yung something na yun yung gagawin natin. And finally, mag-powder na tayo. Wow, powder! Okay, I think that's good enough. So, let us proceed.
And for the brows, because it's okay
Kilay is life, guys. Really makes all the difference. So, yung may love lessons din to, kaya ako pinili, charot. So, ispuli din natin, kasi pinuli niya. Dahil wala ka nun, you know the usual, the K palette. May brown mascara na agad yung product, moms! Bilang ako to, may naka-separate ako na brown mascara. So, let's do the kilay. Ay, nag-start siya sa dulo. Sige, mag-start ako sa dulo.
Okay, for now, I'm going to use an angle brush.
Oh my god, wait, tapos ka na agad, moms. Oh, let's listen to her now.
I want to recreate thick strands. Even with the angle brush, it's really nice. It's so divine. I can't believe it's my first time trying out this product. And next, for the eyes. Okay.
Ay, tapos na siya. Wait na. I'm very excited for this look kasi yung chocolate lips. Dati, I used to sport chocolate lips all the time. So, excited ako to, you know, do a dark lip again. So, balik na tayo kay Miss Brian.
I have here the Eye Divine Mineral Based Eyeshadow.
Ay, eyeshadow na siya! Bakit ganoon? So, brow mascara. Go!
And the shade Spirit and right here. And the shades here are composed of browns and blues and golden maroon.
Browns and... Ay, ang ganda ng palette!
Are matte browns, gold, which is good.
Parang gusto ko nun.
Gusto ko nun. Okay. I'm going to swatch this thing with the caramel color and check this out. Dang! Okay.
So,
sugary shade right here, which is like
nagsuswatch siya, moms. I think, based on her swatches, I can use my classic Yes Please palette. This is what I always use. So for the base, I think I'll use this. I think this is the color nearest dun sa palette niya.
I will be applying this as my base. Now this shade, the product itself is really pigmented. It holds the skin very, very well.
I think I need a different brush.
To deepen the crease is what I've said I'm going to use.
Oh, wait. Deepen the crease na siya, moms. So, let's just continue. Sabi niya, ito yung base. Pero, it's too orangey. So, I think I'm gonna mix this one and this color. Just to achieve yung look ng palette niya. Go, let's go.
Wow, like, why is this...
Brown shade. I think I'm gonna use this. Sige. Use this.
Now, left eye. 3, 2.
Ah, wait lang. Naggana na siya, mams. Oh my God! Wala pa rin akong boses, guys. So, sobrang awkward nung stage nung voice ko ngayon. Para ako nagbibinata na ewan. Moms, bakit ganon? Parang mali. Tingnan nga natin yung after. Ay! Oh my God! Ayan na. Bakit sa kanya nakaganon na? Try natin na pa-cat eye flick. Kasi parang cat eye na yung sa kanya. And just like what she did, I'll do my other eye in 3, 2, 1. So, ayan na. Balikan na natin siya. Ah, naglalagay na siya ng gold.
Wala mang kaliwanagan ang love life mo ngayon.
Ayun. True, mas gusto ko yun.
We will go back.
Oh my God! Tapos na siya agad. Kakaspray ko pa lang. So, maglalagay tayo ng gold sa lid. Dahil nga, kahit walang kaliwanagan daw ang ating love life, at least yung eyes natin meron. Parang napasobra naman. Fix plus pa more. So, i-spread na lang natin. Let's take this one. I think dapat ito na lang pala yung ginamit ko from the start. Oh well, patungan natin. Para mas pack. Oh. Ayan na. Ayan na ang liwanag. Ayan. Okay, let's go.
Back on the eyeshadow later on because right now I'm going to use this eyeliner.
Eyeliner. Oh my God. Ayoko pa naman nag-eyeliner. Okay. I'm gonna be using my Hyper Sharp liner. Oh no, wait. I need a moment. Kasi ibang klase ito, ma'am. Wala siyang anything, basta gumawa lang siya ng cat eye. Anyway, so thin liner muna. Mag-thin liner muna tayo. Okay, that's thin enough. Diba? And then, gumawa siya ng pata. Oh, no. Oh my God. Oh no, tama ba yan? Okay, play na natin. Parang mali na agad. Tas kinonect niya. Tama ba yun? Ay, my goodness. Watch natin siya ulit.
Now on the lower rim of my
ay, tapos na siya agad. Bakit naman ganoon, momshi? Okay, okay na ba yan? Feeling ko okay na yan. So, the struggle is real. Yung kabila naman. Liner gods, please be with me. Parang may mali. Tingnan natin siya.
eyes. I'm going back to that dark brown. And I'm just...
Parang may mali. Ilaban na natin to. Okay, let's go. Okay, sa lower lash line naman daw.
This palette is insane when it comes to its pigment. I think one of the advantages of being single is that you have less drama in life. Like,
Wait lang. Bakit parang ako nabugbog? Sa kanya ang ganda, bakit ako parang nabugbog? Okay. Let us trust the process. Charot. Okay, let's go.
and you have all the right eye drama as you wish by adding dramatic lashes.
Dramatic lashes. That segue to.
It's
Pero,
back to
oh
contour.
no! Pero ako, ang babae ko ng lashes na nakastock. So, mag-mascara na lang tayo. Tingnan nga natin kung madalagay siya sa lower lash line.
And I'm going to use this face contour kit for powder.
Oh no, contour na siya. Pero maglagay na rin tayo sa lower lash line. Let's go back. Let's go.
The green one in medium. This has a contour shade, of course.
Meron ako nung
But since I have a highlighter palette,
face form
I will not be using
contouring kit.
I'm going to use the same contour shade.
So, maglagay muna tayo ng bronzer. Okay. So, pumunta na tayo dun sa contour talaga from Sleek. Okay, okay, okay. Let's go.
Okay, at the bridge of my nose. But okay, when you dip the brush
Okay.
into the product, all you have to do is just really take the excess, just like here and there.
So, same lang daw. Kuha ng product.
And then you do the
Let's
brow,
dig muna sa
and then down to the bridge of the nose. For the blush,
skin.
you use the shade.
Wait lang. Skin daw. Tapos sa bridge of the nose. Bridge of the nose. Let's go with the blush.
Okay, blush. It's been deep.
Okay. So, I have this new blush that I'm gonna be trying. So, I have this MAC blush. It's called Burnt Pepper Powder Blush. So, let's see how she applies it.
Just get covered.
It's not as light as her blush, pero parang dito
I
lang.
want a lot of color on the cheeks.
Apples of the cheeks.
And now, let's go with this. I said earlier,
Oh, wait lang. Lips na daw. I'll just put on just a bit. Parang gusto lang daw ng color sa cheeks. I'm done there. Lips na. Lips.
give you chocolate, it's okay. You can treat yourself with this
Chocolate. Chocolate. Wala na nga akong chocolate na lips.
lip cream.
But I have this lipstick from MAC also. It's called Antique
This
Velvet.
one is very thin. I thought it's going to
I think it looks chocolate enough.
but it's very thin. Super light.
Medyo kakulay niya yung suot ni Raiza. So,
overdo my lip.
pause muna natin. Parang medyo malapit siya dun sa color na gamit ni Raiza. Well, close. First name basis. That's super chocolate. Oh my God. Para sobrang dark ata nung ginamit ko.
Sobrang kissable ko na. Kunwari lang. Pero sobrang kissable ng lips. And for finishing touches,
Oh my God. Pero parang it's super dark. So, I want to put something matte on top of it. Let's put a matte lipstick para medyo ma-diffuse yung color. I think I will be using my Smashbox. I think that's good enough. Okay, finishing touches down.
Let's not forget what Nick is known for, and this is the highlighting.
Highlight. Meron ako niyan. This is my favorite highlighter, guys. But there's this step na natutunan ko from watching all those, I tried following yung makeup tutorials. Nakita ko si Jaclyn Hill, she applied her highlighter through a beauty blender. So, para ma-intensify lang yung highlight and para mas mag-melt siya sa skin. Let's just do that. Let's try that. Tapos na siya, so i-set lang natin. And it's time to aura like RAIZA CONTAWI. That's it for my I tried following a RAIZA CONTAWI makeup tutorial. How does it look? Na-achieve ko ba yung anti-Valentine's vibe? This made me feel very nostalgic kasi back in my college days, I really loved, you know, wearing dark lips. So I think I'll start rocking them again. But anyway, I hope you guys like this video. Tell me what you think. Sino ba yung dapat ko gawin next? I have ideas, but I would love it if you could also comment down below kung anong makeup tutorial pa yung i-recreate ko or yung susundan ko. And that's a wrap, you guys. Thumbs up this video if you liked it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell beside it to get notified every time I post a new video if you still haven't. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. This has been Angelique, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye!